Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Explore with Suchita. Today I am going to share you breakfast recipe, that is Dhaba style masala aloo along with the puri. Watch complete video without skipping for detailed recipe. Before that, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get latest updates of all my videos. Please like my videos and share it with your friends. For preparing puri, I have added wheat flour. Today I have used around 5 spoons of wheat flour. For that, now I am adding 1 spoon of chiroti rava. I am adding little salt for taste. And now by adding water, I am going to prepare the dough. Before that, mix it well and then add water and prepare the dough. No need to use oil. Prepare the soft dough as same as chapati. Add water little by little. Once the dough is prepared, I will allow it to rest for around 15 to 20 minutes. Now I have taken a cooker. For that I have taken potatoes. I have chopped it like this. Now I am adding water. I will be adding little salt for taste and I will pressure cook it for 1 whistle. After that I will show you. Now I have taken here another pan. For that I am adding little oil. Once the oil is heated, I am adding mustard and then jeera, chana dal, urad dal, we need to allow the mustard to pop. Once the mustard starts popping, I am adding chopped onion. Today I am using around 2 chopped onion which is finely chopped. Along with that I am adding green chilies. As per spicy you can use green chilies. Today I am using around 3 green chilies, that is also finely chopped, and then curry leaf. We need to fry this until onion gets soft. I am adding little salt so that onion will get soft very easily. You can use this along with chapati or dosa also. And you can even taste it with parota also. Now you can see onion is slightly soft. Now I am adding crushed ginger and garlic. You can use ginger garlic paste also. Cook it until the raw smell of ginger and garlic should not be there. Once it is cooked, now I am adding turmeric powder. After adding turmeric powder, mix it well. You can see onions are also cooked. Now I am adding dhania powder. Today I am using homemade dhania powder. And I am using around 2 tablespoons of dhania powder. Based on the quantity you can check and add masalas. And I am adding garam masala. I am using around 1 spoon of garam masala and little red chili powder. We have used green chilies also. Based on the spicy you can add red chili powder, and I am adding salt for taste. Mix it well. After adding masalas, just cook it for around 1 minute. Now you can see Now your potatoes are also boiled and I have mashed it. Now I am adding that mashed potatoes to this masala. Even you can make cubes also. After adding potato, mix it well and just cook it for around 1 to 2 minutes. As the potatoes are already boiled, no need to cook. Give it a good mix. After mixing it, I am adding lime juice. Fresh lime juice, as per taste you can add lime juice. And chopped coriander. After adding everything, once again mix it well so that dhaba style masala aloo will be ready, and you can switch off the stove. Now here you can see the puri dough, it's soft. You can tap your hands with oil and you can mix it well once again. And I am preparing small medium size balls. You can do whichever size you want. Once the balls are prepared, start preparing the puri. You can dip it with oil or you can dip it with wheat flour and you can do puris. Once everything is done, I will show you. Now here oil is also heated. I am frying the puris. Maintain constant temperature so you will get good puris. You can see until it changes to golden brown on both the sides, cook it. Now once it is changed to golden brown, I am taking it out from the oil. You can see I am preparing another puri. It's very easy to prepare puris. Like this I am going to prepare every puris and then I will show you. Now you can see breakfast recipe dhaba style masala aloo is ready along with that hot and soft puris. Hope so you enjoyed my video. Before that, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get latest updates of all my videos. Please like my videos and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.